Good morning, student. Today we are going to solve exercise 3.1 of understanding quadrilaterals. Okay. So question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 we solved in previous video. Now we are going to solve question number 6. Find the angle measure x in the following figures. So we find the value of x in figure D. Clear? In figure D, you can see this figure, 5-sided polygons and all sides are equal. Okay, all sides are equal. So this is a regular pentagon. We find the value of x. Okay, so first we find sum of measure of interior angle of a regular pentagon. After this we divide the total angles, sum of angles of regular pentagon by 5. Then we obtain each angles of regular pentagons. So we find the value of x. Okay, let's see how to find it. The given figure is in a regular polygon. So first we find the sum of interior angles of the regular pentagons. Okay, so first we find here sum of interior angles of a regular pentagon, because the given figures have 5 sides and all sides are equal. Okay, so it is a regular pentagons. Okay, so what is the formula is n minus 2. Here you can see in previous day we find the formula n minus 2 into 180 degree to find the n side sum of interior angle of n sided polygon. So here we have 5 sides. Here we have 5 sides. So we have find the value of sum of interior angles of regular pentagons is equal to into 5 minus 2 into 180 degree. Okay, is equal to 3 into 180 degree. It's become 540 degree. Clear? Now we use this formula. This is just sum of measure of all interior angles of n-sided polygons is this. Okay, but here we have 5 sides, so you replace n by 5 and find the sum of interior angles of a regular pentagons. Okay, so we find the each angles. Okay, each angles of regular pentagons. If you divide in a pentagons have 5 angles, so if you divide the sum of interior angles of regular pentagon by 5, then you obtain each angles. Okay, each angles angle of a regular pentagon is equal to sum of interior angles of regular pentagon is 540 degree by total number of angle is 5. Okay, because in the regular pentagon have 5 angle and 5 side. each angles are equal and each sides are also equal because this is a regular. Clear? So we obtained 5 on the 5 and here 40, so 108 degree. Okay, clear? In figure you can see x is the one angle, so value of x is equal to, so value of x is equal to 108 degree. This is a D figure D, and we find in this figure the value of x, and this is a regular pentagon because this is given all sides are equal, so it means that each angle is also equals. We find the sum of interior angles of regular pentagon is 540, and we divide by 5, then we obtain each angles of regular pentagon. So one angle is x, this means that the value of x is 108. Okay, this is question number 6. First we find sum of interior angles of a regular pentagon, and we use the formula n-sided polygon, sum of interior angle of n-sided polygons n minus 2 into 180 degree, but here in pentagons have 5 inside, so we find the sum of interior angles of a regular pentagon is equal to 5 minus 2 into 180 degree. 5 minus 2 is 3 into 180 degree, so 3 into 180 degree is 540 degree. Clear? Now in regular pentagons have 5 angles, all are equal angles because given that all sides are equals, so all sides are equals, so it is a regular pentagon. In regular pentagons all sides are equal in length and each angles are equal in measure. Okay, so we find each angles of regular pentagons, and in regular pentagons have 5 angles. 540 is the sum of 5 angles. Okay, so we divide 540 by 5, so we obtain each angle of regular pentagon. Okay, so we obtain 540 by 5, this is equal to 108. Okay, so one angle is x, so we can say the value of x is 108. I hope all of you understood. Now we are going to solve the next figure. This is a question number 7, A part. Find x plus y plus z. Look this figure. Okay. 30 degree, 90 degree. This is x, angle y and z. So first we find the value of x, y, z, and after this we sum it. Then we find value of x plus y plus z. Okay. So here you can see this angle y is the exterior angle of these triangles. Exterior angle is the sum of two opposite interior angles. So this is exterior angle of triangle. So y is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. So opposite interior angle this into this. So y is equal to 30 plus 90. Okay. So y is equal to 120, and you can see this line. This is a straight line. Okay. So z plus 30 is equal to 180 degree. Z plus 30 is equal to 180 degree, or z is equal to 180 minus 30 degree. The value of z is equal to what? 150 degree. Clear? And see here, this is also a straight line. So x plus 90 is 180 degree, Rx is equal to 180 degree minus 90. Rx is equal to 90 degrees. In this we find the value of x is equal to 90 degree, the value of y is equal to 120 degree, and the value of z is equal to 150 degree. So 120 plus 150 plus 90 is equal to, we find our solution. Okay, so now we are going to solve this question. Okay, first we find the value of y, because this is the exterior angle of this angle, so y is equal to this plus this. So we find the solution of this the figures and the find value of x, y and z. Okay, so as an exterior angle angle of a triangle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angle, two opposite interior angles. Okay, clear? In this figure you can see here y is the exterior angle, this is equal to the sum of two opposite interior angles. 30 plus 90 is the opposite interior angles. Okay, so y is equal to 30 degree plus 90 degree. Okay, so y is equal to 120 degree. Now look this figure, this angle, this is a straight line, so this angle, this whole angle is 180 degree. It means that z plus 30 degree is equal to 180 degree, because this line is a straight line. Okay, so we can write, so this is a straight angle. Okay, so z plus 30 degree is equal to 180 degree, clear? Or z is equal to 180 degree minus 30 degree. Okay, here, clear? Now, so z is equal to, here we obtain 150 degree. Okay, now we find the value of x. We find the value of y is equal to 120 degree and z is equal to 150 degree. Now let's see how to find the value of x. Now see, this is straight line, and it means that this is whole angle is 180 degree. Here to here is 180 degree. It's become two part. It's a two part, x and 90. So x plus 90 is equal to 180 degree, because this is a straight line. Okay, so we use this logic and find the value of x. Now x plus 90, this is formed a straight line, so both this is equal to x plus 90 is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so x is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree, or x is equal to 180 minus 90 is 90 degree. Clear? So in this way we find the value of x is 90, value of z is 150, and value of y is 120. So we find the value of x plus y plus z. Okay, so here we find, hence we write, hence x plus y plus z is equal to, the value of x is 90 degree and the value of y is 120 degree, 120 degree, value of z is 150 degree. Okay, so this is equal to what? 90, 20, 0. Okay, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 9 is 16, 6 carry 1, 1, 2, 3, 360 degree. Okay, so you find the value of x is 360 degree. In this figure we see y is the exterior angle, so the value of y is the sum of two opposite interior angle. So opposite interior angle of y is 30 degree plus 90 degree. So in this way we find the value of y is 120 degree. Okay, this value of y, and this angle, this is a straight line. So z plus 30 is 100, and z plus 30 is equal to 180. So here we find the value of z. Z plus 30 is equal to 180 because this made a straight line. So in this way we find the value of z is equal to 150 degree. And now you can see here, this is also make straight line. So x plus 90 becomes 180 degree because this line is straight line. So in this way we find the value of x plus 90 is equal to 180 degree. Clear? Rx is equal to 180 degree minus 90. Rx is equal to 90. And we find the value of x plus y plus z is equal to 90 plus 120 plus 115 is equal to 360. Clear? I hope all of you understood and enjoy. This is a question number 7, part B. Okay, we find the sum of x, y, z and w. So first we find the value of x, y and z and w. Okay, so you can see this is a straight line. So total angle is 180 degree. So x plus 120 is equal to 180 degree. Here you can see also, and this is a straight line. So y plus 80 degree is equal to 180 degree. So in this way here we find the value of y and here we find the value of x. And here you can see this is a straight line. So this angle is equal to, this whole angle is equal to 180 degree. It means that z plus 60 degree is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so in this way here we find the value of z. Okay, and what is this value? This angle, this is a 180 minus w. Clear? Because this whole angle is what? This whole angle is 180 degree. This is w degree. So this angle is 180 minus w, and this is a quadrilateral. Sum of quadrilateral is 360 degree. So if you sum this angle plus this angle and this angle, we obtain 360 degree. Okay, and in this way we find the value of W. Clear? And sum it and find the solution. Let's see how to solve it. Okay, so here we write this angle is equal to 180 minus W. Okay, this angle is equal to 180 minus W because this is you can see straight line and sum of both angle is 180 degree. So this angle is W. So this angle is 180 minus W. Okay. So first you find the value of X here. Okay. So you can see this angle is straight angle. So X plus 120 is equal to 180 degree. Okay. So X plus 120 degree is equal to 180 degree. Clear? Or you can write 180 degree minus 120 degree. This is equal to 60 degree. The value of X is 60 degree. Similarly, you can find okay. Similarly, we can write Y plus 80 degree because both are from straight line, so they is equal to 180 degree. Okay. So we can write Y is equal to 180 degree minus 80 degree. So Y is equal to 100 degree. Okay. Now and we find the value of Z is Z plus 60 degree because they form the straight line. So this is equal to 180 degree. Z is equal to 180 degree minus 60 degree. Z is equal to 120 degree. Clear? Now you can see this is a quadrilateral. The sum of interior angle of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Then we add all these four angles of quadrilateral and we obtain 360 degree. In this way we find the value of W. Now we know that the sum of interior angle angles of quadrilaterals is equal to we know that the sum of interior angles of a quadrilaterals is equal to 360 degree. Clear? So here our angle is 120 degree, 80 degree, 60 degree and 180 minus W degree. Okay, this is equal to 360 degree. So we add 180 degree minus W plus 120 degree plus 80 degree plus 60 degree is equal to 360 degree. Clear? Now plus it 180 degree plus 120 degree, it's become 300. Okay, 380 plus 60, 440 degree. Okay, this become 440 degree. Minus W is equal to 360 degree. Okay, now we transposing 440 degree to right hand side, then we obtain minus W is equal to 360 degree minus 440 degree. Okay, or minus W is equal to minus what, 80 degree. (360 minus 440 degree is equal to minus 80 degree. Okay, now it minus will be cancelled, and then we obtain W is equal to 80 degree. Clear? And now we find sum of x, y, z, w. Okay, hence x plus y plus z plus w is equal to, so the value of x is 60 degree, value of y is 100 degree, and value of z is 120 degree, and the value of w is 80 degree. Clear? So what is the sum? Here you can say 80 plus 120 is 200, this is 300, this is 360. Clear? 80 degree plus 120 degree, it's become 200, 200 plus 100, it's become 300, this is 60 degree, so it's become 60 degree, 360 degree. Okay, it means that the sum of exterior angles of polygons is 360 degree of any polygons. Sum of exterior angles of a quadrilaterals of any polygons is 360 degree. Let's see, this is our question. Find the value of x plus y plus z plus w. This is figure is given. So you can see y plus 180 is becomes a straight lines. So we find here value of y, and from here you can see this is straight line. So you find the value of here x plus 120 is equal to 180. Similarly we find here z plus 60 is equal to 180, but here only given w, but this is the straight line, so both angles are 180 degree, but this is w, so it's become 180 minus w, and you find the x plus 120 is equal to 180 because this made a straight line, so the value of x is 60 degree. Now similarly y plus 80 degree is equal to 180 degree, so we find the value of y is equal to 100 degree, and similarly we find the value of z is equal to 120 degree, and for the value of w we know that the sum of interior angles of a quadrilaterals is 360 degree, so we add some interior angles of the quadrilaterals. So in this way we find the value of w is equal to z, and now we need to find the x plus y plus z plus w. So value of x is 60, value of y is 100, value of z is 120, and value of w is 80 degree, and we sum it, we find 360 degree. Okay, this is the sum of exterior angles of quadrilaterals. Okay, so I hope all of you understood. Thank you for watching.